Guys, thank you so much to everyone that came in numbers to come and fight and march against the justice for the Dlamini twins. I am sure wherever Aphelele Dlamini is right now, he is grateful to all of you guys, also Mr. Khaya Dlamini and his family at large. Please check out the next videos for more updates.
Mawufaka isandla la ngemumva esiphundu kuyena wawuza ukuthi ngazi ukuthi ithambo likrekhile mhlawumbe ukhona lokumhlotshana engicabanga ukuthi ubuchopho bakhe intombazane naye iphuma igazi ngomlomo namakhala kodwa yona iphefumula kwamele ukuthi ke ngiziphuthumisele mina bona esibhedlela ngoba ngeke ngisakwazi ukuthi ngilinde iambulance ngoba mhlawumbe intombazane ingaba iphili namhlanje ngingamuleke yasesibhedlela ngibuyele ngapha ukuthi kwenzakaleni mangifika ekseni sengiphuma esibhedlela uma ngifika la ngifike vele sebethintile abalapha eHomi sebevele beqalile
sengisha amateke engaka
athumela nomentaleni ngihamba kuyona ekusho ukufakazi